Here's a really quick way to jazz up prawns. I'm going to make a simple stir fry of prawns and Thai chili jam. It is absolutely delicious for a fast midweek dinner. Now you can see that my wok is scorching hot. I've been preheating this for about 2 to 3 minutes because what I want to do is just get some really nice colour on these prawns to start with. So in with some peanut oil or vegetable oil, about a tablespoon. And once that's smoking as it is there, we're going to add all of our prawns. So just be careful because it's going to be hot. Nice sizzle. Now prawns are so delicate, so it's all about flash frying them and not overcooking them. So what I'm going to do is just really quickly turn them. See how we're getting that caramelized colour on them? That's what I want. I don't want to overcook them because I will be adding them to the sauce later on. So we'll just turn them over to seal. Okay, I'm really happy with that so they can come out, and I'll just pop them onto a plate. I'll add some more oil, another tablespoon or so. Now I'll add some spring onions, a small handful, about 4 or 5 spring onions, and we're just going to cut them into 3 centimetre battens. And I won't use the dark green part. We'll add them into the oil and then quickly shake them and toss them. And you'll see there's a lot of colour on there. That's what we're looking for. Now for some greens, some bok choy. I love bok choy. I love how crunchy it stays if you don't overcook it. So cutting them into quarters. And then in they go. And then again, toss that and just allow them to wilt and just get some heat through them. Now for the sauce, some chili jam. I want 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili jam. As I've mentioned, this is a medium chili jam, so it is really nice with prawns or seafood. So we'll add 2 of those in there. And some fish sauce, about a teaspoon, and some light soy sauce. Now I'm going to toss all of that together and coat all of the vegetables in that chili jam. Oh, it smells so good. And now it's time to return our prawns so they can finish cooking. We'll add them in there. And then one last toss. Okay, that is looking fantastic. Now just to mellow this down, because there is a lot of chili in there, vinegar from the chili jam and sugar, I love the addition of some butter. It just rounds the whole thing off. So we'll add a few knobs of butter and you'll see you just give that a quick jiggle and a toss and that melts quite quickly. I might just add a splash of water now. It's plenty. And then one last swirl just to make sure that that butter is incorporated in with that chili jam. I'm going to turn the heat off now and we can serve this. A nice generous bowl, some hot steamed rice on the side, and we'll just pile the prawns and the bok choy together. You can see how much sauce there is now by adding that butter at the end there. It smells so good. I don't mind that fusion of flavours, that little hint of French there with the butter. It just really makes a difference to the end result. I adore it. A few more prawns on the top. Don't forget that delicious sauce. Pretty happy with that. I love stir fries. No wonder why they're popular. A lot of families love stir fries in the middle of the week because they're so fast and packed full of flavour. That's why I always love to have a few of these great condiments on the side like chili jam, soy sauce and fish sauce, packed full of flavour. Delicious.